Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prince, and today I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to some tips. I'll be installing DStv Extra-view. I'll be teaching you how to install DStv Extra-view with one extra-decoder, this extra-TA, and then one 8D decoder. Okay, with a smart LNB. So any extra-decoder installation, you need a unicable LNB. Any Explorer installation, you need a unicable LNB. Because on Explorer, you have a unicable in, it does not come with a universal LNB, so you cannot install it with a universal LNB. So you need a unicable LNB, and this is a DStv smart LNB, which have a unicable ports and then universal ports. So with this, you can install it with an extra-decoder, and this is purposely for an extra-view installation. So if you can't buy this smart LNB, you can buy a smart switch, or you can choose the other way. But if you are using an Explorer for the extra-view installation, you cannot use a dual LNB. Only 2 8D decoders. That's when you can use a dual LNB, because the dual is a universal LNB, so you cannot use the universal LNB for the Explorer decoder. So the first thing you need to do, if you are already having a stable DStv signal on your dish, you need to replace your single universal LNB on top of your dish with a smart LNB. So you need to replace it with a smart LNB. So you replace it, but make sure that you are having enough DStv signal, a stable DStv signal, before you go ahead to replace your old universal LNB with a smart LNB. And then with the installation, you have here universal port, you have here unicable A, unicable B, and then C. So you have to insert your coax cable here at the unicable port A for the Explorer decoder, and then unicable port C for the HD decoder. Okay, so A for the Explorer decoder, and then C for the HD decoder. And then after that, you need to do your settings in the installation with it. Okay, so you place it. The port C of the unicable will not insert it in the universal port. And then the Explorer for the port B. You have to be like this on top of your satellite dish. The Explorer decoder for port A, unicable port A, and then the HD decoder for unicable port C. Okay, so after replacing your universal LNB, this is how you need to insert your cables. Okay, and then after that, all the time whenever you are doing installation, extra-view installation, which consists of one decoder to be an Explorer decoder and one to be an 8D, all the time the Explorer decoder have to be the primary decoder. So on the installation with it, you need to choose the Explorer as decoder 1. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to do that. So keep watching. Okay, so I have here a dish with a stable DStv signal. So I'm replacing with the smart LNB. Single universal LNB with a smart LNB. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're having a stable DStv signal before you go ahead with the installation. If you are using Finder, you can check it at the universal port. If you set your cable in a unique cable port using a SSI finder, it won't work. 2 This is my DStv frequency and sim rate that I use. If you use this, you will get your signal very fast. So I'm having a stable DStv signal, so now I can move ahead with my installation. Okay, so keep watching. So unique cable port A, you set your cable over there, the cable goes straight to your Explora decoder. So port A for Explora. Okay. Cable port C, here's universal, port A, port B, and then port C. So port C goes straight to your AD decoder. Okay, so here is the AD decoder for the port C. Okay, so after connecting your cables to the AD decoder and the Explora decoder, you need to still change the settings in the installation widget. Okay, to link these two decoders. So I have on these two decoders and I need to off one because when I'm using the remote, one will be picking the other. So So you need to first set your primary decoder. So any installation, extra-view installation, will consist of one decoder to be an Explora and another to be an AD. All the time the Explora have to be the primary. So I'll off this AD decoder. Okay. So now I need to change the settings. You need to change the settings in the installation widget. For the Explora, you need to choose it as decoder 1. So we go to menu, press on your remote DStv logo, then we go to settings, we look for settings. Okay, so settings, come down to satellite settings. Then move down here, home network, press OK. Then come down to launch installation widget. Okay, so with the satellite, if you are living in these listed countries over here, Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, you need to choose this satellite name, IS20, and then you press OK. And if your country name is not listed here, it's not among of these names, you need to change the satellite to E36B. And I'm in Ghana. My country name is not here, so I need to change my satellite to E36B. Okay. So if your country name is being listed here, you choose the satellite and you press OK to move ahead. So you come here, you need to choose quick setup. And then you select the decoder 1. You first have to come to manual setup. So okay. So because of the satellite, that's why it's not working. So I need to choose E36B. Manual setup. Make sure that your index, everything is intact. For the primary decoders, you need to leave it as default. How it is, you need to leave it as it is. With the secondary decoders, that's where you need to change it. So you go back to quick setup. Yeah. You select decoder 1. You move ahead to scan the decoder. Okay, I don't need to waste my time. Okay, so move ahead with your secondary decoder. And all the time, whenever you are setting the secondary decoder, you need to off the primary decoder. So after finish setting the secondary decoder, then you on the primary decoder. So I have the AV here. Waiting for it to boot. off your primary decoder. After setting it, then connect it back. Okay. So you go to menu, you look for settings. Come down to satellite settings. Home network. Okay. Launch installation widget. So here you see consider if you are living in these listed countries, choose this satellite. For the rest of Africa, you select E36B and then you move on. So this one, you need to come down to manual setup. You need to change your LNB. So the LNB type, you need to choose unique cable TM/SAT CR. Maybe it will be universal because it's an HD decoder. So we need to change it to this, and then with the user band frequency, we need to change this. The first one have to be 1680. 1680. 680. And then the second one have to be 20440. 2040. And then this one have to be 2. Change it to 2. And this one have to be 3. Okay. And then you come back to quick setup. Come on to quick setup, and then we select decoder 2. We need to select decoder 2. Okay. So after scanning, we need to call an office for the activation to link the 2 decoders. After scanning, we need to call an office number to link the 2 decoders together for you. Okay. So if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and then do the bell icon. Alright, that's all.